Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I am Sadia Hussain, lecturer, Department of Finance and Banking. Today I am going to discuss Chapter 10, which is Commercial Bank. This is lecture number 1. My dear students, today I am going to discuss Chapter 10, which is an introduction to Commercial Bank. This is lecture number 1. At first, we have to understand what is the concept of commercial bank. That means what is called commercial bank. The term commercial bank refers to a financial institutions that accepts deposits, offer checking account services, makes various loans and offers basic financial products, certificate of deposits and saving accounts to individuals and businesses. That means commercial bank works as a financial intermediary organization that collects deposits at lower rate from surplus sector and provide it to deficit sector at higher rate. By this process, commercial bank earn its profit. The bank, which deals with money and money is worth with a view to earn profit, is known as commercial bank. Commercial bank is an intermediary profit-making institution. A banker is one who in the ordinary course of business honors check drawn upon him by persons and for whom they receive money on current account. So, from the above discussion, we can say that commercial bank is an intermediary institution of capital and money. By various accounts, it collects deposits on small rate of interest. It gives short-term loan to others on higher rate of interest. Then, its main objective is to earn profit. Lastly, we can say that the bank which collect deposit on small rate of interest and lend it to others people on higher rate of interest with the objective of earning profit is called commercial bank. My dear students, there are some objectives of commercial bank. First one is making profit. This is the most fundamental objective of a commercial bank, of earning profit. Then second one is medium of exchange. Sometime in the past, commercial bank used to issue notes. At present, central bank has got its exclusive right to issue notes. Of late, commercial bank creates medium of exchange by issuing check like notes. Check is transferable and check is popularly used in the banking transactions. As well as commercial banks are established with the fundamental objectives to introduce check, bills of exchange and bank draft, pay order, letter of credit, etc. Then capital formation. Collecting surplus money from the people and formation of capital is one of the main objectives of commercial banks. Then welfare of public. Besides earning profit, public welfare is an indirect objective of commercial banks. Assisting in loan regulation. Participating and assisting the central bank in formation of loan policy and loan regulation is one of the objectives of commercial banks. Assisting in planning and implementation. Another purpose of commercial banks is to assist the central bank in proper development planning and implementation. Proper distribution of wealth. Ensuring proper distribution of wealth by developing all sectors of economy in an equal pace through using monetary assets is another major goal of commercial banks. Employment generation. A purpose of commercial banks is to create opportunities for new employment by increasing economic activities. Mitigating gap between rich and poor. Through collecting deposit and offer loans, commercial banks enable participation of all classes of people in economic activities, which help mitigate economic gaps between rich and poor classes of the society. Forming a saving tendency. Another purpose of commercial banks is to create a saving tendency among people. Then, security. Ensuring security of money, valuable ornaments of people is one of the purposes of commercial banks. Economic stability. Another purpose of commercial banks is to ensure economic stability by meeting the demand of funds in the market through providing loans and by working in line with the central bank's loan policy. Then, development of trade and industries. An important purpose of commercial banks is to develop trade and industries by providing all-out support in import and export. Last one is improving standard of living. Improving standard of living by ensuring overall economic development is also a goal of commercial banks. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I am Sadia Hussain, lecturer, Department of Finance and Banking. Today I am going to discuss Chapter 10, which is Commercial Bank. This is lecture number 1.